Good morning, guys. We are starting the day off at the garage, and basically what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be cleaning up the inside of the FD. So just cleaning the interior, really. So I have a few parts on this table that I'm going to be installing, including this Vertex steering wheel. This is from Wish, and it's fake. I've actually seen people take this straight out of the box and snap it on their knees. Ooh, shouldn't have done that because it might actually snap. But, well, actually, I should really test it before putting it into the FD because that's how you get into big accidents. But anyways, that's going in there, accompanied with this turn signal extender. And by now you probably know we're just gonna go with black and red theme for now while repping these wheels. Thanks, Trey. And also, I have kind of figured out a way to work around the specks of dust. Well, not really, it's actual dents in the lens that's really dirty. For future birdie, start using lens filters. All right, today is RX-7 day. Lego. Get started. So, you can take this off. Cool. But this is how basic this is. Obviously no vents, so no air conditioning system. For gauges, I'll turn this on. Got your RPMs, all your oil gauges, but it doesn't even have a speedometer or a fuel gauge. I haven't even vacuumed it or anything. Like, I'm excited to see what crazy Japanese paraphernalia we'll find in here. Like Larry was saying, there's like hidden treasures when you import a car. From Japanese yen to who knows what you'll find in here, man. So we'll give the interior a deep clean today. We'll also start planning on how we can organize the dash to clean it up a little, because comparing, like, say my new 2020 Toyota Supra to this car, this is as basic and as simple and as raw as it can get. My idea was to kind of clean this up, maybe find a stock dash, transfer all of this, but the dials aren't even lined up and they're all unequally spaced, which is throwing me off a little bit. If you look under here, the passenger side, there's virtually no glove box compartment, but that's where his ECU is, and basically all of the FD's electronics. All of that came out of a Toyota. Here is our speedometer gauge. Ta-da! Well, that's kind of what it's gonna look like. But this is digital, and once we have it all hooked up, we'll show you guys all of its functions and what it actually is like. Oh, fuck. And then also, I gotta figure out something for the top here because it looks like he just kind of cut into that. There are carbon fiber replacements you can buy for this thing, but I'm just gonna be resourceful and see if we can create something using ABS plastic. And then there's that front vent right there. We'll figure out something for that as well. The goal is to clean this up and make it seem OEM, you know? But obviously, this is far from it. This is fully Toyota powered RX-7. Best of both worlds, because the RX-7 FD3S body is just beautiful in itself, and then the 1JZ, just a legendary engine. Beneath that, we got our new fuel gauge. Yeah, maybe I should have opted for digital. That would have been cool, but yeah, no, we just got something super simple. He had his place right there, but he had some sort of attachment, so I'll figure something out. But at least for now, we got the gauges that this car needs to be legal on the streets. Okay, so I was trying to figure this out by looking at one of the photos on the RX-7 auction ad, and I saw that there are wires connected to their fuel gauge, green, yellow, and black wire. So I actually followed that, and look at this! Hidden treasure number 1! We still have our fuel gauge, and it's a digital one, so this is better than the one we got. I think they just need some way to mount it because it fell. Yeah, so we'll figure that out. I'm thinking of just making a custom plate here that fits this perfectly, and then we'll use the mounting brackets that we got on our new one and use it for this. So then we can just have this sitting there nicely. Maybe it actually works. Let's see. Accessory. What? So it works, but I think one of the wires is loose or it's just not connected properly. So we'll figure that out. Or as the saying goes, we'll cross that bridge once we get there. all bare. I'm telling you, they did a good job gutting this car. And this doesn't even fit into place. But that's what it looks like in the driver's footwell. Idea for the back here. Basically just a rear seat delete, but a tasteful one. And we'll show you guys when it gets here. And then for the center console, I'm trying to look for an OEM RX-7 center console that we can just fit over this. And then hopefully the shift boot fits over this setup as well. Maybe we can just like put it over that, kind of just to hide this bare metal. And then for this part, we're also going to be looking for an OEM stock RX-7 dash setup. And then we'll reappropriate that, transfer this, and really just organize it. Yeah, for now, we can change out our steering wheel, make everything else in there more red. That looks sick. Okay, let's keep going. So this is how we're gonna get the shape of this vent. As close as we can. Okay. Once you got this template, we'll cut this out in cardboard. Sweet, it's gonna look something like that. We'll have the gauge coming out right here. I'm gonna finesse this, make sure it's a little more snug, because missing a little bit on the corners, but that's okay. It's been a week from how I lost my job. Little hole in this, and that's where the gauge is gonna be sitting. A sunlight light. Boom. Of course, it's gonna be a lot more tasteful, and this is gonna be sitting like that, so it actually stays. But yeah, you guys get the idea. Bye. We'll figure this out. This is what we got. All right. The top. That is not bad at all. We really just need to make it curved now. I can't get the bend like Jesse. So close. After a lot of bending and playing around, we finally got this to as close to the curvature as our dash. I'm probably gonna just carbon skin it because I messed up the surface. And then Jordan actually made this rough draft of our center console area. I mean, my idea was to just try and look for a FD3S center console, but they go from anywhere between like $500 to $1,000 on eBay. If we can custom fab something like this, we can actually add like extra cup holders and other stuff here. This just gives you an idea of what it'll look like if we kind of put armor on it and cleaned it up like that. Getting there, guys. This is actually pretty cool. I'm actually gonna look for the OEM FD centerpiece, and if we can't find it, we'll probably just take this off and use it as a template for our new one. But this, man, I'm impressed. Look at that curve. Kenji coming in clutch with some OEM parts for the interior of this. This is holy grail stuff, man. Yeah, maybe I can just put that there for now. Dude. Whoa, what? Yeah, when I messaged you, you said you didn't have much.
That. Yeah, you got that.
Bro.
Got the HVAC panel you needed.
What? Yeah.
Tin relics.
Wow. Well, Bro, appreciate it. Check out what Kenji just dropped off for us for the RX-7. These are, like I said, man, these are super rare JDM pieces. And for you to try and buy this on eBay, it's pretty pricey. These were the parts that I had a hard time trying to look for. And it's hard to find anything used in Canada. So again, big shout out to Kenji, came in clutch. Sweet. Oh yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Really all we're missing for us to be able to install any of these pieces is the trans tunnel cover, and then a few of the bezel pieces on the side here. And then of course we got this full gauge cluster, so we can replace this entire thing. Oh shit, I didn't even look in the entire box. Maybe these are the pieces that we're missing. You know what, I have no idea where any of these pieces go, but we'll figure that out later. Damn. Okay, good stuff. I think we're done at the garage for the day, and I'm getting hungry anyway, so we're gonna go to Wow Chicken and have some dinner. Grab some good old Korean fried chicken. Koreans know how to do fried chicken so well. Yeah, see you guys there. Wow Chicken?
Wow Chicken, sure.
Okay. Slow cruise. Good night, FD. See you tomorrow. Whew, that's a cool picture. Let's roll out. Woo. After like 3 to 5 minutes, cold start, it tends to quiet down. Time to go through these GoPro clips. Alright, this is perfect. The Supra against the G and the STI. Damn, alright, let's do it. We left Eva behind.
Dude, she caught up fast.
Yeah, no kidding, right? She's right behind us. Wow, chicken. This is what we came here for. This, my friends, is the good stuff. Got your bulgogi fries and the real deal. Original and super spicy. Oh, little boy smelled the chicken. Okay, maybe. What is that? What the?